asuntoskäyttöä Helsingin katajista.
November 2022 we have Laivastokatu, modernized. 6 things in, but we also have 3 other things. But we don't need to film all of them, but they have these beautiful wooden doors, at least here in this signature building. I'm not sure when it was built originally, but it's probably from the beginning of the 20th century. We can check it later. It's here in Katajanokka, Helsinki has forged uusimman ja Finland. Max space with wooden doors. And of course a wooden interior and quite beautiful. Oh yes, it is quite beautiful.
Yeah.
Not the worst.
Yeah.
I need to replace it in 2008. The serial number is 11036341. The capacity is 6 birds over 80 grams. Wooden inside also.
Yeah.
Going to be speculated next year, 2023, when it will be 15 years old. I like these walls here.
No, same here.
So, it is not the worst one.
Yeah.
But of course, I think they should have chosen some better buttons than this.
Yeah.
Maybe evergreen. This would that be possible?
Yeah.
Feels maybe it was a replacement.
Yeah.
Instead they did this interior here.
Yeah.
Copied it from the original one.
Yeah.
Yeah, this one there's no double hospital.
Yeah.
Oh, and that one is wooden also. The controller.
Yeah.
Quite unusual.
Mm.
Oh, but the lamp should have been some antique one.
Yeah.
Well, maybe they could have been wooden doors that are glazed.
Yeah.
But they tried at least.
Yeah.
But some better buttons should have been.
Yeah. Diskuteerbaartje wijsgetent met hem bij Kone.
It is very unusual to have these wooden doors.
Yeah.
So that's it.
That's